Hey everyone! If your PC or laptop heats up quickly, especially during gaming or heavy work, this quick power settings tweak can help lower temperatures without killing performance. Let me show you two simple settings that actually make a big difference. Maximum processor state first. Open your power settings and look for maximum processor state. By default, it's set to 100%, but you don't always need full power. Lowering it slightly won't cause any noticeable performance drop, but it can reduce overheating a lot. If you're a heavy gamer, set it to 99%. You'll still get smooth gameplay with less heat. For normal users, 90% is more than enough. Personally, I use 75%, and I don't experience any lag at all. Just remember, the best value depends on your processor, so feel free to test different percentages. System cooling policy. Next, find system cooling policy. If it's available, set it to active for both battery and plugged-in mode. This allows your system to cool itself more efficiently. If you don't see this option, don't worry. You can enable it easily. Enable system cooling policy. If missing, open Registry Editor as administrator. Go to Computer, HKEY, _local, _machine, system, current control, set, control, power settings. Open this folder. 5453251-8 2BE-4 824-96 1-47B60B740D00. Then open this subfolder. 94D3A6 15-A899-4 AC5-AE2 B-E4D8F 634367F. On the right side, open Attributes, change the value from 1 to 2, and click OK. Restart your computer to apply the changes. And that's it. These small adjustments can noticeably reduce overheating and help your system run cooler and more stable. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more PC optimization tips. Thanks for watching.